Okay, hello, welcome to the week 14 assignment. In this assignment, we are using our React knowledge to create a simple CRUD app. This one is going to be an Ecomm themed CRUD app, since that's where a lot of my experience and passion lays. Um, some of the requirements for this project were to have 3 React components. We have to display some test data. We have to use at least one prop on our own components, and we should have no red errors, no warnings in the console, and no type errors in VS Code. So let's get started and take a look at what we created here. For this project, I found it useful to create more than 3 React components. It's worth mentioning that, and we knew this when we created this project, that this will have 3 iterations. So what we're going to create this very simple app with static products, and then we'll add state, and then finally a form. So on this one, it's going to be very simple. So we have 6 components. We have our app TSX, our navigation bar, our product list, product card, and cart sidebar. And each of those have a specific function. We run the main application component off app TSX. Our navigation bar, obviously, we use React Bootstrap for that. Our product list, that just renders the list of products. Product card, that renders our individual product information. And then I decided to go with a sidebar for the cart. So cart sidebar obviously displays the cart items and manages removal. Um, we also were required to display some test data. So that's in our products file here. So for this Ecomm shop, I'm from Seattle, born and raised. I've been a big Seahawks fan, so I made a little Seahawks Ecomm store. For this part of the project, though, we're just have product 1, product 2, and product 3. I did add some images so you could see that they're Seahawk items at this point. I waited for the more creative naming for our 3rd iteration of the product. So you'll see it there. So that's our test data here. You'll see we have a price, a description, and an image URL. We define those types up here at the top of our page there. Let's see. The other component was that we use at least one prop. So I'll go to our product list here, and you can see that we are receiving product and add to cart props here. So there's our product and our add to cart. And we do that across a couple different lines here on our app TSX. You'll also see that, and our cart sidebar. We are receiving cart and removing cart props. So let's take a look at it. Let's see how it looks here. I already ran my npm dev. So wow, we are not winning any style points here, but a good foundation to iterate on. We have our products. You can see that we have our nav bar. Looks like I'll spend some time in the next iterations making this more beautiful, but we should have functionality here. We did add functionality, so we should be able to add items to cart and delete them. So we do have those controls, and we can add multiple items. If you work in the ecom space, there's a lot to be wanted here. You know, we don't have kind of any success messages. We don't have, this is a pretty bad cart setup here where it's just adding iterations of the product there. So we have a lot to grow on and build with. But for our final 2 requirements for this project, we have no red errors, no warnings, and no type errors in VS Code. So after this, we'll move on and check out the video of the next iteration. Thank you all so much.